hello there guys, it's Sam again with another video review. Today I just got from the Czech warehouse from Banggood for about 89 euros. It took almost a week, so that was pretty quick. And here's the actual box. So on the front, just a classic Xiaomi product, nothing special. It's pretty heavy. So let's open the actual package and see what's inside. First we have a little manual. Next, okay, nice. So they include an Allen key. This is the locking screw for the front, and I guess this for the base, the screw for the base. Okay, so this is a plug for UK outlets. I don't think. Okay, we'll see if it will work. Next is the actual base. It's the fan, and here is the actual motor. So let's leave these aside. This is full metal, this is plastic, the motor case. Let's open it first. Let's see this package over here. So first we have this little locking mechanism. Don't know if you can see it. This is the back plate, a little screw over here, don't know if you can see it, on the top, and another big one with another key. At the bottom you can see the actual screw, this little screw over here, it locks this place. So just twist, a little twist, and we can take it off. We can find over here blades. Also, this is the base. On the back we have the actual power inlet. So yeah, over here we have to slide in this one. So the screw hole will be on the bottom. There's some groove, so there's no other way to slide this thing in, just like that. Next we take this back plate, put it in place. Take the blades, slide them in, and secure them with this little cap. It has a little sponge on the back, so it locks itself in place. It's counter clockwise. Okay, so it's now in place, and last we have the cap to secure the blades, and I guess we have to twist it a little bit. Yeah. So it's now secured in place, and lastly just slide it inside the base. Okay, so let's just like that, and we secure it over here with this little long screw, and with the included Allen key, just tighten the bolt. Lastly, just insert. I don't have a power plug, I will use this one. It happens to have a little European plug. I guess it's the same. Yeah. Such here. Little beep. They have also in English. The first button over here on the top, it's the speed. The second is the timer. Next we have oscillating, on-off mode switch, and you can see over here the status indicator and the Wi-Fi indicator. There's some LEDs on the top. So first, switch now powered on. It's now searching for Wi-Fi, so let's connect it to the actual. Let's see. Okay, so we just go to Mi Home in the application. There you go. Instant Fun. Just press this one. It will connect to your Wi-Fi network. So add your actual password for the Wi-Fi. And as you can see over here, it will now connect to your actual network. So it's now done. So yeah, after we updated to the latest firmware version, this was the latest firmware, we are now set, and let's see how this works. So first we have the turn on, turn off button. So as you can see over here, we can turn on just pushing a button. We have standard mode and the natural mode. In standard mode you can adjust, of course, all the speed levels, 4 levels. You can actually hear the wind. I have the microphone in front of the actual fan. The next mode is natural, so it will simulate the natural wind. I don't know if you can hear it. It makes different speed adjustments to simulate this effect. Next we have the angle adjustment, so we can adjust if we want 30 degrees, 60 degrees rotation, 19 and 120 degrees. Of course, you can adjust it if you want. Let me show you. If you want to turn it a little to your right, just like that. You can push it. Of course, you can deactivate the sound. Also, we can adjust up and down by just tilting the actual fan. This is the lowest position, and let me show you. And this is the maximum. Of course, you can also adjust the light. So with the light on the top over here, I don't know if you can see it. It's too bright. Of course, you can adjust it from here, bright, dim, just like that. Or you can also disable the actual lights on the top. I will now leave it in bright mode. Also, we have a child lock. If you want to lock and none of these buttons will work, you can only adjust the actual control the actual fan from the application itself. Also, we can see we have a Wi-Fi LED on the top. So yeah, what else? Actually, that was yeah. Also, we have a timer. You can adjust the timer up to 8 hours. So if you want to turn it off, I will now turn it off in let's see, can we leave it in 2 minutes? One minute. So 1 minute just passed and it's now turned off. Goes into natural position, and as we can see over here into the application, the actual fan is off. So yeah, that was the Xiaomi Mijia smart fan. I hope you find this video review a little interesting. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.